The U.S. Army has revealed the K1000ULE, a revolutionary ultra-long endurance reconnaissance UAV developed by Kraus Hamdani Aerospace. Powered entirely by solar energy, this fully electric drone can stay airborne for over 100 continuous hours without refueling, setting a new standard for endurance and autonomy. Designed with wide, elongated wings covered in solar panels, the K1000ULE recharges while flying, eliminating the traditional limits of fuel dependency. During recent field exercises, the drone proved its remarkable endurance, flying for several days straight. Its ease of use also stands out. As noted by SGT. Jake Meyer, training soldiers to operate the K1000ULE took just 2 days, compared to the months typically required for similar systems. This was made possible by built-in artificial intelligence that manages navigation, route planning, energy optimization, and weather adaptation almost entirely on its own. The K1000ULE flies mostly by silent gliding, using lift currents much like a bird, which significantly reduces energy consumption and makes it extremely hard to detect. Even advanced radar systems often mistake it for a bird, especially at long distances or in areas with heavy radio traffic. One real-world demonstration of its capabilities took place during the Balakatan exercises in the Philippines. There, the K1000ULE remained in the air for 76 hours without landing, gathering intelligence over the highly sensitive South China Sea region and transmitting real-time data back to command posts. It proved that autonomous platforms can operate effectively in environments with limited infrastructure and access. The K1000ULE marks a major shift in military reconnaissance, focusing on stealth, endurance, and autonomy rather than speed or armament. In future conflicts, where information dominance across vast and remote areas will be critical, drones like the K1000ULE will become indispensable for around-the-clock surveillance, enemy detection, and support for special forces operations.